Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude Code authentication error. First, check your API key. Make sure you copy the correct key from Anthropic and there are no extra spaces or typos. Next, set your API key correctly in Windows PowerShell. You'll type setx Anthropic API key, then in quotes, your API key here. After that, restart PowerShell so the changes apply properly. Now verify the environment variable to make sure it's set. In PowerShell, type echo $env: Anthropic API key. If nothing shows up, the key wasn't set properly, so you'll need to set it again. After that, restart your terminal or system. Close PowerShell completely, then open it again. This is required for environment variables to take effect. Next, update Claude Code because an old version may cause authentication issues. In PowerShell, type npm update -g at anthropic-ai/claude-code. Finally, test the connection by running Claude. Type Claude, then hello in quotes. If it responds, the authentication error is fixed and everything is working correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.